Alright, we're going to change our cabin air filter to this new one here. Notice this spot here that says airflow. Airflow with the arrow pointing down. That's not an installation arrow like this side up. So right here there's a black plastic piece right here on the side that needs to be pushed down until it snaps. Then you grab both of these edges and push in. Lets the drawer drop down. Exposes a plastic piece under here. Push in on both sides to take this cover off. This has an arrow that says up. That is a directional arrow, so just lay that down and pull your old air filter out. It's all dirty. Notice Honda reads right side up, airflow is down. So I'm going to take my new one and put it in the same exact way. I'll take this cover, put it right back on, it pops in place. Pull my cover up here, I'm going to push on both sides and get that in there a little bit. I'm going to take this plastic piece here, I'm going to push it back into place, and I'm done. It's that simple.